Hi everybody, you know who it is. It's truly, and we're back. Probably not for good, probably just for one video, but here we are. Oh, merch? I'm kidding. Anyways guys, today we were baking cookies. If you know me, which you probably don't, I'm kidding, you probably do. I don't have any subscribers. Then you know that lately I've kind of been baking a little bit. Here are all my creations. I know they look so good because I'm a professional. I've been baking like these copycat crumble recipes, but today we're going a little out of our comfort zone with banana bread cookies. These are not a copycat crumble. I actually couldn't find one. I looked. This is just a random banana bread cookie recipe, and the reviews were good, so we're making it. There you go. I prefer making cookies when they're not using the stand mixer and just using an electric mixer. My hair, sorry guys. So cinnamon powder, baking soda, salt, and chocolate chips. So it's a kind of a low-key recipe. So the first thing we're gonna do is preheat our oven and wash our hands and put our hair back. But I've already washed my hands, but I'll rewash them so you guys can believe me. I kind of look really bad with my hair back, but you know, you guys are just gonna have to accept it. Okay guys, now that the hard stuff's done, we're gonna start baking. Excuse me, I'm out of screen, but I think you can still hear me well with my AirPods in. Don't mind my hands. A beaut. It says mash up the bananas. Like in a blender? Miss Girl. You know what, we're just gonna do it with the electric mixer. And you know what, whatever happens, it happens. I've been spending my time baking and beating Shop Julia Rituals, and right in time for summer, right? I could be studying for my finals, but I'm indeed baking a cookie recipe right now. So that's basically it. You then add in the oat flour, the brown sugar, oats blended into oat flour? What's that? That's unfortunate. Wait. Being the unpredictable queen I am, I did not really fully read the recipe. And I did not realize that you have to blend the oats into oat flour, which I could do, but I'm lazy. So I printed out another recipe. Thank you for your patience. This is my recipe. I'll link it down below. This one actually has to chill for a little while, but in the fridge it has to chill for 30 minutes. This chill. Anyway. What was I saying? This one you actually need 3 very ripe bananas, and I already did 2, so we're just gonna mash up one more. Don't mind me. Softened butter. Okay, guys. We have to add in a stick and a half of butter, but first I have to soften it in the micro. So this recipe, like I said, has to chill for a half hour. I love vanilla. So this is gonna be the whole stick we're using. There's this now, but I'm not going to show you guys. I'm going to put it in the fridge and get back to you while I'm in the oven. While I'm shaping them, actually. Hey guys, so I indeed did not get back to you for shaping the cookies or finishing off the batter. But they're in the oven and they're going to go off any second now. And when I think they're ready to be taken out, which I don't think they're ready to be taken out now. They just looked. No. Alexa, set a 2-minute timer.
Second timer, 2 minutes.
Anyways, guys, it's raining now. It's not the sunny day we once saw me in, but they smell really good. Ethan, don't they smell good?
Yeah.
They smell good. So that's exciting. I get back to you when I try them. Hi guys, the cookies are out of the oven. They actually took longer to cook than I expected. I hope they're done. They're done. Okay, ready? They're still warm. It's only been 5 minutes. They taste like what you think a banana bread cookie would indeed taste like. I don't know if you like banana bread, then these aren't for you. Don't put the nutmeg. I put the nutmeg, I actually put it less than they said because literally a banana bread cookie, very thin. I mean, mine are very thin. Hey guys, this is me editing months later. Because I am editing months later. It's literally July 22nd. I filmed it on June 8th. Anyways, I wanted to give you a quick update on what I actually thought of the cookies. They were horrible. Never make them. You don't want to make them. You don't. They were like bad. They were like good at first, and then I threw them out. Don't make them. Don't make any banana bread cookie. Banana bread is supposed to be a bread. Don't make it into a cookie. Hey guys, I didn't film an outro for that video, so I will be filming it now. Thank you so much for watching. Smash the like button, hit subscribe, turn on post notifications while you're at it so you can join me next time. And thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you later.